Half Moon Bay is a small city on the California coast and is situated south of San Francisco. When you go to the harbor, you don't know what you're going to get. Today they had halibut, and when we tried to get some halibut, they were out of halibut. So we walked around and we found some albacore tuna.
Thank you. I'll give you a deal on it. His legs. Kind of cut a knife in there, then you're going to cut a knife through here.
Okay.
And then go straight down here, and then down on the stomach, and basically you're going to have 4 loins, right? So you can just kind of get your hand in there, and you can peel it right off the bone.
Okay.
And then there's going to be some dark meat, some like reddish colored meat. You want to cut that out, just do the white meat. And I like to cut it in pieces about like that.
Okay.
Little chunks.
Okay.
And then just sear it.
Yeah.
Or you can eat it. These are blast frozen immediately.
Yeah.
They're good for sushi.
For sushi also.
So now we got some fish, now we're gonna get some herbs. And I like to go to the farmers, and they're pretty amazing. I mean, they have so much passion for their product. And that's why I'm so excited when I talk to them. It's so much fun.
So this is what we got.
It's time for us to go back to the base and start to prepare the food. We invited some of our friends and colleagues, photographers and pilots, and we're going to share our food and see what they think about our cooking.
What do you think this is an amateur show?
Clean, very good.
It's still frozen, man. It's still...
There you go.
Go. And so, wait until I cut my finger. And then you guys, you're gonna be laughing. So I know some guys that just grab the skin. Not beat.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, come on. Cut it in small little pieces, so look at this. I'm gonna marinate it with this Chardonnay. All right, so we ready to cook the fish, and we're gonna make some baked potatoes. All right, so we're gonna try 2 different ways of cooking the fish. We're gonna grill some, and we're gonna put one on top of the tin foil with some garlic and some basil. Let's see. Tell me how it is.
Oh my God! I don't like fish, but this is good. Seriously, I'm not kidding.
I didn't know what it was, and I said, that's just the phrase I use.
Right?
I'll just stand on the other end. That way you look tall.
Oh, yeah.
That's where we're framed.